What's the point of your host offering you tons of features if your site intermittently goes offline and you are left with no support? With us, you have a hosting platform built on security, speed, uptime, and scalability for optimal site availability. For complete security, our cutting-edge ZFS file system offers protection against data corruption that no ordinary web servers are immune to. Also, anti-hack protection effectively prevents almost all types of URL forgery or brute force attacks targeted at your sites. Non-stop antivirus protection, further boosted by our admins, provides ironclad security for your sites and emails against any malicious bugs. For blazing fast sites, you'll be provided with a custom hosting platform where the workload is distributed across a number of machines, not just one, increasing site performance and providing faster mail delivery. Our SSD drives bring down the latency in data reading compared to regular HDDs, and thanks to having servers using ZFS compression, site content size is lowered significantly, making data reading even faster. Through data caching, we store frequently used content in the server RAM, so your most visited pages can be quickly accessed. To guarantee maximum uptime for your sites, top-quality server hardware with very low amortization levels and failure rates is implemented. Another safeguard we have are redundant power system units, in place to quickly recover the network during any power failures. So your sites grow fast, no problem. Thanks to the scalability of our platform, you can upgrade to a more powerful package anytime with the click of a mouse. To manage resource-hungry sites, semi-dedicated servers are available, offering you an increased operating power CPU and database queries. Do your projects need some extra expansion space? If so, check out our dedicated servers with top-class hardware setup and full root access. The user-friendly multilingual control panel allows you to create your own websites and manage projects and emails in no time. It features browsable daily backups of your data and comprehensive web stats to help you take full control of your sites. Sign up today and we'll transfer your site over to us for free. It's simple. Choose your hosting plan, site name, and site location, and leave the rest to us. With 24/7 customer support service, we're always here to help.